Hi guys, welcome back to day 18 of our tutorial. For those of you who still don't know me, my name is Andrea and we're here to learn some Italian for today. I'm thinking of some fellow friends, perhaps Alan, that say hi, that like to use this free time to learn. Today's phrase is gonna be: my name is Andrea and my favorite food is whatever that is. Il mio nome è Andrea. Il mio nome è your name. Once more, il mio nome è Andrea. Okay, let's move to the second phrase, which is my favorite food is, which translated actually becomes in Italian becomes my favorite plate of food. Translation. So, anyway, it is il mio piatto, il mio piatto preferito, il mio piatto preferito è pizza, obviously. No, I'm kidding, it's not pizza, but let's use pizza. My favorite food is pizza becomes il mio piatto preferito è la pizza. Il mio piatto preferito è la pizza. Okay guys, I hope this tutorial was useful. Anyhow, this is obviously just basic, so you got time. If you like to learn some extras, go for it. I'm here for help if anybody needs it. Okay? Again, have a good day. I'll see you soon again, okay? Bye-bye.